All right, so this is the target round from 2022, practice test 2, target round 3 and 4. So a triangle has sides that measure, well, let's draw a triangle. 10, 23, and 27 units. The perimeter of a square is 60% of the triangle's perimeter. What is the area of, so we're dealing with area and perimeter. All right, so the perimeter of my triangle is going to be, well, this plus this is 50, plus this is 60. So my perimeter of my triangle is 60. Well, 60% of 60 is equal to, well, you multiply 6 times 6 is 36. Deal with the decimals. So my area is 36. So we have a perimeter of 36. So we have a square with a perimeter of 36. And a square has 4 sides, so divide this by 4, so each side is 9. So if each side is 9, then my area is 81. For number 4, yes, that was a pretty quick one. For number 4, oh, this is a classic type of system of equations. So we have 2 pastrami sandwiches, and that's plus 5 sodas, and that costs $12.65. Well, if I buy 3 pastrami sandwiches plus 2 sodas, that is going to also be $12.65. So obviously we know that 1 pastrami sandwich is equal to 3 sodas. So, but that's not going to be super helpful because then it goes on, what is 7 pastrami sandwiches and 12 sodas? And so we said, oh, no, it does not. And so that's what we're trying to find here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this using elimination. I want to eliminate one of the variables. And so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 3. I'm going to multiply this whole equation by -2. And I'm going to cancel out these p's. That's what I'm going to shoot. That's what I'm shooting for. So if I do that, I'll get 6p plus 15s is equal to, well, I'm going to use my calculator. Why? Because I'm allowed to. And so we have 12.65 times 3, but I don't really have to deal with that too much because if I multiply the same number, these two numbers are the same. I'm multiplying it by 1 more, and that's negative. So I know that my result is just going to end up with 12.65 because 3 is 1 more than 2. So moving on, because I've already done this subtraction right here. So -2 times 3p is -6p minus 4s. And so again, I don't have to worry about what goes here and here because I know 3 is 1 more than -2, and I'm subtracting it out, so I'll end up with 12.65 left over. 6p minus 6p is 0. I get 11s is equal to 12.65. So I'm going to go 12.65 divided by 11. And so I get each soda is equal to $1.15. Okay, great. So now I need to figure out how much a pastrami sandwich is. So I'm going to substitute this value in right here. So I get the cost of my pastrami sandwich. So we have 3p plus 2 times 1.15. And I know that's equal to 12.65. So times 2. All right, so I'm going to subtract 2.3 from both sides. And so I'm subtracting 12.65 and 12.65 minus, what is that, 230. All right, so now divide by 3. And so a pastrami sandwich is equal to 3.45. I'm sorry for not writing that down. So now we know that we're getting 7 pastrami sandwiches at $3.45 plus 12 sodas. That is a lot of soda. Oh my goodness. 1.5. All right. And so now we're going to multiply the pastrami sandwiches by 7. We get $24.15. And I'm going to multiply 12 times 1.15, and I'm going to get $13.80. And so when I add those two things together, 24.15, I will get $37.95. All right, so that was 3 and 4.